morning to my lovely petams. I hope you all are fine and safe at your places. Dear kids, this is your general knowledge class and I am your general knowledge teacher. Kids, today we are going to do chapter number 7, the human body. As you are already aware that our human body is made up of several internal and external organs. There are many internal and external organs in our body. So today we will study about different organs and the nutrients which are required for our proper health and what are the special features of some different organs. So come, let's begin the class. This is our chapter number 7, the human body, on page number 15. So, it is asking us to take the correct answer. One question is there and we are having some options. We need to take the correct answer. Now, let's start with question number 1. Which of the following is good for strong bones? A is soda, B milk, C water. So, which of the following is good for strong bones? हमारी बोन्स को स्ट्रॉन्ग बनाने के लिए इन तीनों में से कौन अच्छा होता है? बेटा, हमारी बोन्स को स्ट्रॉन्ग बनाने के लिए वी नीड कैल्शियम. कैल्शियम एक ऐसा न्यूट्रिएंट होता है जो हमारी बोन्स को स्ट्रॉन्ग बनाता है. सो among soda, milk and water, milk contains calcium. Milk is known as a complete diet also because it has all the nutrients in right amount. So which of the following is good for strong bones? It is milk. So we will take here. Now beta, second is the hard outer covering of our teeth is called. The hard outer covering of our teeth. हमारे टीथ की जो हार्ड आउटर वाइट कवरिंग होती है उसको हम क्या कहते हैं? एंड इट इज़ द हार्डेस्ट सब्सटेंस ऑफ आवर बॉडी. एंड व्हाट इज़ इट कॉल्ड? एनामल, गम्स और सलाइवा. सो यस बेटा, it is known as enamel. Now third is which part of the body is most affected by migraine? Yes beta, now it is asking which part of the body is most affected by migraine. When a person suffers from migraine or he or she has problem of migraine, then which body part is affected the most? Is it bones, stomach or head? So beta, yes, the correct answer is head, because in migraine a person suffers from a severe pain in head. So next, fourth question is the cage that protects our heart is called. The cage that protects our heart, skeleton, rib cage or lungs? So yes, the correct answer is rib cage. Rib cage protects our heart and lungs. So rib cage is the correct answer. Now fifth question is 2/3 of human body is made up of. Yes beta, human body is what? Our body. So 2/3 part of our body is of blood, muscles or water. Yes, your answer is right. It is water. Now third is what carries oxygen all around the body? Yes beta, what carries oxygen all around the body? Is it blood, water or muscles? Yes, because blood flows in our body all around. So yes, blood carries oxygen all around the body. So we will take here. Now next is which is the longest bone in human body? Yes beta, in total we have 206 bones. So among all them, which is the longest bone in human body? Is it thigh bone, skull or wrist bone? So the correct answer is thigh bone. Yes beta, our thigh bone is the longest bone in our body. Now eighth question is where taste buds are present. Now beta, think over it for a while. From where does you taste your food? Food स्वीट है, सॉल्टी है, बिटर है, ये आपको कहाँ से पता चलता है? Which part of your body tells you this? Yes, the right answer is tongue. So, where taste buds are present? On tongue. Taste buds are present on tongue. Now, ninth question is, how many bones are present in human body? Yes, beta, it is asking how many total bones are there in human body. Is it 180, 206 or 274? So, the correct answer is 204. Now, beta, question B is match the following. Here two columns are given, column A and column B. So, we need to match the statement which is written in column A with the correct word which is written in column B. So, beta, for match the following, we will not draw lines, we will write down the numbers in front of the correct word. So, let's start with first. Ankle is found in the. Yes, beta, ankle is found in the. Ankle कहाँ होती है? First of all, beta, ankle होता क्या है? जो आपके फुट के ऊपर वाला जो पोर्शन होता है, दैट इज नोन एज एंकल. जब हम फुट हमारा हील से ऊपर जब हम आते हैं अपने लेग की तरफ, दैट पोर्शन इज नोन एज एंकल. सो एंकल इज फाउंड इन द, या करेक्ट, यू हैव ऑलरेडी क्रैक्ड इट, इट इज लेग्स. So here we will write down number 1. Now thinking part of our body. Yes, beta. From where do we all think? Yes, I know you all know the answer. It is one and only brain. So we will write here number 2. Between our hand and forearm is the. Between, in between means दो चीज़ों के बीच में. बिटवीन आर हैंड एंड फोर आर्म इज द. हमारे हैंड और फोर आर्म के बीच में क्या होता है? राइट, इट इज रिस्ट. वेर यू वियर योर वॉच, रिस्ट वॉच विच इज नोन एज, सो इट इज रिस्ट. सो हेयर वी विल राइट डाउन नंबर 3. नाउ फोर्थ इज स्केलेटन इज मेड अप ऑफ. यस बेटा, स्केलेटन इज मेड अप ऑफ बोन्स. सो हेयर वी विल राइट डाउन नंबर 4. Fifth is largest organ in the human body. Yes, beta, which is the organ in human body which you can see everywhere in the body, outside the body? Yes, the correct answer is skin. So, skin is the largest organ in the human body. So, here we will write down number 5. Now, beta, come to, do you know what is written here? Early to bed and early to rise makes a man healthy, wealthy and wise. Yes, beta, it is very true. We will again read it. Early to bed and early to rise makes a man healthy, wealthy and wise. It means we should sleep early and we should wake up early in the morning, and by making this our habit, our habit makes a man healthy. This habit makes a man healthy, wealthy and wise. Yes, beta, if we will sleep early, if we will wake up early, so we will be in a good health. And if our physical health is good, so our mental health will also be good. And if our mental health is good, so we can think wisely and we can do things in a good manner. So yes, early to bed and early to rise makes a man healthy, wealthy and wise. So beta, we have completed our chapter 7. Kids, today we have done chapter 7, the human body. So your homework is to complete chapter 7 in your book and revise it. Please be safe, be at home. We will meet soon. Till then, take care of yourselves and goodbye.